So it's a hot as hell day here in Auckland City. I'm about to go down to the garage, hopefully for the last time, to make some like extra brackets and stuff, just to be able to get this thing running before I actually make it tidied up. Yeah, let's go have a quick look. I've been doing a little bit of resin work off of camera. So I've sort of resined up all this area where my crossfade is going to be. So I'll do a little bit of sanding on that today. One thing I actually want to do is get the wiring sitting flush within this, so that way this sits as flush as it did when I dummy fitted it. Once we got all that in order, then I've got to make a bracket for this buttons, so that way those buttons actually work correctly, and then I can go through and start doing some bits and pieces of testing and make sure it works before I do the final tidy up. Let's go. I can't wait to get you to use this thing.
Go ahead, baby. At me if you nasty. Go ahead, sexy. At me if you nasty. Move, shawty. At me if you nasty. Move it.
Turn this puppy off. What we've done here now is that this resin is actually looking pretty sweet. When I do the final dress up, that'll look really smick. That's a word, by the way. I've got some wiring to just a little bit of soldering. Dummy fitted everything. I thought I'd put all the cables on I needed to. We've ended up with like quite a bit more cables than I ever anticipated. So yeah, keep moving.
Thirsty and hungry, I need a snack. Everybody freaking, heartbeats racing. So winning, you gotta have it. Say you love my.
Alright, last little bits of wiring to go. So unfortunately I've had to chop one of these wires in order to be able to make the CDJ fit. It actually fits quite flush, which is perfect. Sorry, Denon controller, not CDJ. And then I've got play pause buttons to wire up. There's a little bit of wiring left to go. Then I can sort of put the back on and take this thing for a bit of a test run and see if I can get it to work. Building it's one thing, but testing and teething, that's the next part. So luckily I come from a background of working on cars, because I understand that like not everything's going to go smoothly, but yeah.
That accent that they love overseas, like with my Loke song. Haters catch the he disease, like he be clean and keep the baddest girl on the team. I got a fix for your issue with the that you need. I don't cuss in my songs, but
we're in the final button up stage for testing. I've just got to put this thing on the back here. I've got to get a piece of plastic or something just to make sure that nothing shorts out on the back of that plate. Make sure I got power, make sure the thing works, and then after that I can look at outputting audio. I've got to make an audio cable too. We're almost there, guys, we're almost there. Okay, so I'm in the studio right now. Brought it in so I can plug her in and see if we can get it going. Bit of percussive maintenance. Okay, so the upside is that screen now works, everything works on it. I just had a bit of a tinker around to figure out what's going on. It seems to be that this sort of switch here is not necessarily working. It seems that the buttons up here are probably doing something. I've got to figure out the way that I pinned it out originally, just to figure out exactly how I wanted it set up. But yeah, the best part is that we actually have power. I can't actually test any audio as of yet because I can't get this USB stick to work. Man, so that's the only problem, is like when you build something custom, you're going to run into teething issues. I'm unsure what's sort of causing that glitch as to what's going on right now, but we'll figure it out. I've just got a little bit of playing around with it to do. Pull it back off, just see where all the wiring's going. Might do some continuity testing. At least we have power. Bonus.
Mirror, 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 that be placed against the wall. Got my back against the other side, all gates to break my phone. Though my speech is PIMP, I'm the coolest of them all. Summer heat, I make your teeth wipe me down.